up today doing headlights on an 06 Dodge Ram. Did one side already. Super easy. Tools you'll need are a T30 bit and a 10mm. And if you have an impact, you can get the impact in everywhere. It makes it really easy. You'll probably want a flathead screwdriver. Just pry off the clips. It's everything you'll need right there. That. So there's only 3 bolts holding this in. You got your 2 right here. And you could use the 10mm there too. But I just grabbed this first, so that's why I have 2 out. But anyway, 2 there. And then Dodge made it easy for you. You pull off this rubber grommet, and there's a 10mm back in there. I can show you this side. 2 there, that's the new headlight. Right there. That's all you gotta do. There's the nut, bolt in there. That's gonna fall. Oh, I got it. Your headlight, loose. Super easy. Or I guess headlight housings. I keep saying headlight. Then you just gotta unplug these 3 plugs. And on the headlights I got, they're just some cheap eBay ones. It didn't come with a running light hole drilled in. And I drilled a hole, but then I realized it's not just a hole, it's specially slotted, so I guess you could drill a hole and file it, but I already drilled a hole on one side, so it's kind of too late, but I'm not too worried about it right now. Under your clips, you got a safety pin, and you just push down, hole. These ones, to unclip them, kind of got to stick a flathead in there and pry. It's kind of a pain. Headlight, it's upside down right now. Or housing. And here's the new headlight. Like I said, it's all from eBay. So it's not very nice, but it looks cool. What I do is peel this plastic up so you can leave it on but take it off once you get it installed. Like that much all the way around. Do that, then you can install everything without it getting scratched. eBay. Of course it doesn't work perfectly, so you have to trim off these corners on this plug at an angle, like slope them back, and that is so it clicks into the keeper in there. So you gotta do that real quick. Take some dielectric grease, put it in the connections, and then plug it all in. It's all plugged in. Next thing, take out that plastic thing, which is what is on the end of your adjustment. But take out the old one. It's kind of a pain. Probably won't be able to film because I need to now. It's kind of difficult with one hand, but I'll do my best. Got your headlight. Get the wires situated right. And now you gotta line that up. You can see it. Line that up. The bottom one. Sorry, this is horrible filming. I got a pin. Got your bolts started by hand. than this one. I think they look pretty clean for eBay.